trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Charts go up, charts go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by, golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, candlestick red and green, big.
Yo, what's up everybody? How's it going this morning? Ready to make some trades? Ready to do this thing? Let's just do this thing, huh? Let's make some money. Yo, who's ready? Let's make some money. Good morning, Neo. How's it going? Good morning, good morning. Let me just test this out, make sure everything's working. Yep, it's working. Let's see if this thing gonna continue down or come back up. I'd imagine. Yes, sir. I'm on track here, brother. Might have to go a little bit past the 10 days for the new accounts, but that's fine. Slow and steady wins the race. Let me see if I can show you real fast. This is where the accounts are sitting right now. That's the fast track accounts. So yeah, slowly getting there, working our way there. Yeah, I mean, hopefully it'll pick up here in a minute. I mean, it's been going up all night. Looks like it might start coming down a little bit. Hopefully it's just a pullback. I want it to go back up. Let me see if I can draw a little channel out. See which way looks the best here. Looks like it's breaking out of this channel. Either way you draw it out, it's still breaking out. It's breaking out of this channel right here. Let's see if we put it down here. Put that down there and this up here. I kind of like it. We may put it right here. This right here. This thing's coming down though. Either way you draw it out. Let me actually, it's getting close there. Let me just keep it. Well, I like to trade this time of day because I like the speed of this time of the day. New York moves too fast and I like to use just one mini. The copy trader works it better. I like this time of day better to use one mini. And then the copy trader copies them better on all one mini. But also, it gives me more time to make a trade. I have to go to work. I have to be at work at 12 o'clock Eastern time. So if I start trading at 10, I feel like I'm rushing trades. But if I have from now all the way until 11:30 or 11, then I feel like I have plenty of time to find a trade. Well, it looks like the 15-minute would have played out today. Should have taken it. Gosh darn it. My ORB strategy would have played out today. Break out of here, a retest, you take the entry, and it would have played out. But I did not take it because I thought it was coming back up. But it did not do that. Let's see if it plays out to this channel here. Take a look at gold. Gold just broke below there and came up. Oh yeah, that was a nice one right here. No entry really. But let me put this on a 2000 tick. Kind of like the old 2000 tick chart. This is gold right here. Let's check gold out on the 5-minute. Well, let's start out with the old daily and work our way down. See what we got going on. Not really, because I put limit orders, so the slippage isn't too bad. I placed limit orders. Let's imagine what this daily can do right here. Do you imagine this daily is gonna finish red or green? 4 hour. Not really a big top wick on the 4 hour. Only 20 minutes left on this 4 hour. 4 hour broke below all this. So now it could flip on the next candle, maybe. This is the 1 hour, broke below all this. Looks like it's starting to come back up, maybe. Appreciate it, Rick. Thanks, buddy. I don't even like to think of myself as a good trader. I just I just try to stay in the game as long as I can. Just try to stay in the game. Okay. If this breaks above here, I'm gonna take it. Well, if you looky here, 2000 tick chart is great tool, because here you had an inversion here, and then boom, it came up. Boom. When was that inversion? Somewhere way down. Oh, because it's on the fast track for some reason. Let's check out when this inversion was. Boom. It's right over in here. You would have had a lot of drawdown though. But there it is. I don't know. I really like the 2000 tick chart. I'm playing around with range charts. I don't really know about them yet. But let's try out 100 tick range chart. Yeah. I'm playing around with the range charts. Takes a while to load. Things coming down. Here's a range chart. So I don't really like these charts. I prefer if I'm going to use a different chart than a candle, I like the 2000 tick chart. But let's just see here. Just see what happens here. Maybe it's creating a little higher low right here. Go up. I'd like it to close above here, and then I'll take a long. I mean, it broke all these, so it's either gonna go up here or keep coming down. So it's still coming down here, brothers. Still coming down. Let's just see. I think it could come down. I mean, it could come all the way down here if it wanted to. Honestly. Down to there. So we have our lines drawn out. I want to change them to a different color, but I don't know a good color to change them to. Maybe a kind of darker yellow there, gold. Maybe we change them to a gold color. Oops. Gold, brownish gold here. Delete this one. And I'm gonna delete this one. Make that one bam. Bam. Boom. Now we got colored lines out there, boys. We're fancy now. We're fancy now. What you gonna do here, brother? You gonna keep on going down, or you gonna come on up for us? Oh, coming down. Man. The 15 ORB was the move today, boys. Would have been done on the day. Would have been done on the day. Let's just come back here and draw this out again, see how it would be playing out. Boom, it's hitting it now, boys. It's hitting it now. Boom, just hit it and it's bouncing off of it. Looky there. Just hit the bottom of that range, that trend range. And it's bouncing down here. Off the bottom of this range. Let's see if we can get an inverse somewhere now. Maybe a 30-second inverse. Right here. Yes, please hit the likes. Thanks, buddy. All right, I'm gonna try this out. May get wrecked. Is it gonna let us in here? We're in, boys. Let's see if we get wrecked. Now I know why I don't like the yellow lines, because my stops are yellow. We're in a trade here, boys. Let's see if we can come up. When it hits this, moving stops to BE. If it hits this. Stops to BE. All right, let's see if we can keep on coming. Keep on trucking it up. Or if we're just gonna turn it. All right, gonna trail it up here a little bit. Boom, and we're out of that trade. Probably could have held it longer. But I like to trail my stops close because I don't like to give back any money. Maybe it'll come back down and give us another entry. That was just a quick little 30-second inverse. So I like the 1 minute inverses better. So I would have held it longer if it was a 1 minute. That was a quick little 30-second inverse. There was a nice little trade right there. Up to 435 total on the Grand Prix. That's nice. Today. Need to about double that to feel good. Technically, this trade is still valid. The exit technically would be right here for the break even, but I did not want to break even. I wanted a little bit more, so I trailed it. Let's see if it comes down now. Looks like it got hung up in, well, there it goes, going back up. Going back up here. Take a look at the yeah. Gonna keep coming up. Probably gonna keep coming up here. Could have stayed in that. To be honest with you, I probably could have stayed all the way up to here. But I don't like too risky. Gosh, man. I'm gonna be mad when it goes all the way back up, dude. I'm like, man, that was a perfect entry. Come back down. Come down a little bit more. Was that going to be a perfect entry? Is gold going to continue to go up? The Look at there. Look at it going. Gosh. Gosh darn it. Gosh darn it. That was a good entry. That was a very good entry. Oh man, I'm pissed. I am pissed. Come back down now. Oh, I'm so mad. Look at it, man. Look at my perfect entry just flying here. Oh, and the 5 minutes having an inversion. Oh yeah, 5 minute inverse too. Oh, looky there. Should have held to the moon. I told, gosh, that makes me so mad. At a perfect entry. Man, dude. I finally get a, and look, it would have hit full TP easily, bro. Gosh darn it, man. I would have been done on the day. And it never came back to the entry either. If I would have just held it at break even. Man, man, oh man. What can you do? Hold it. That's my problem lately. I'm scared to take losers, especially with these new accounts. I've been scared to take losers. Because when I take losers, I start to get tilted, bro. We're gonna go all the way up now. I could have held that to the moon, brother. It was, I mean, everything was lining up. It was bouncing off of this channel down here that I drew out. It was bouncing off the channel, made an inverse. I mean, it's gonna go break the highs. Should have just stopped being a little pussy and held that thing. Gosh. Could have re-entered right here, but I just didn't do it. Man, oh man. That'll just make you mad. Let's just change this to the 1 hour. See, now I'm having FOMO and I just want to re-enter, but I know it's so high now, so I'm not going to. Gonna fight the FOMO here. Fight the FOMO. Dude, I'm pissed, dude. I had this great entry here, and I closed it out right here for a measly 10 ticks when I could have had freaking 80 so far. 77. Gonna go up all the way to 100. Probably break the highs. Probably gonna come all the way up here, and I'm gonna look like an idiot. What's up, Josh? I don't even know who Arthur Morgan is. Who's Arthur Morgan? Who's Arthur Morgan? Thing's gonna come up and break the highs. Just bad. I'm just gonna look at my phone for a few minutes. $2,000 tick chart setting up very bullish here. Setting up very bullish on the 2,000 tick chart here. Oh yeah, I played Red Dead for a few a few days. I don't know. I thought it was so cool, but I don't know. I can't get into games like that. Only game I can get into is Call of Duty. That's the only game I like. Ready for the new one to come out, dude. Black Ops 6. Gonna be sick. Can't wait. Let's see if it bounces off somewhere in here. Delete this bull crap. Let's change his color here. May bounce somewhere in here. Probably right. Let's see. Oh yeah, this thing coming up. Could have probably entered along here, been just fine. Somewhere in this box could enter along and been just fine. Man, we've only got 3 likes, man. That's so lame. We've only got 3 likes, man. If you're gonna only leave 3 likes, you better be using my coupon code. If you're only gonna give me 3 likes, you better be using my coupon code. Or my fast track link, since fast track's the best right now. What is going on here? What's up there, Eugene, brother? How's it going? What's up, Eugene? We're just trying to make some money here today. You know, nothing too much. I had a perfect entry here. Would have had a full target, but I closed entirely too early. Closed entirely too early. Freaking wicked me out when I was trailing the stop loss. I was trailing entirely too close. We're gonna bring it on back up here. Yep. And just fill it. We got tons of inverses here. We've got tons of inverses to go higher. Yeah, Eugene. Give me my money. We've got tons of signs to go higher, but will it actually do it or not? We don't know. Wait around and see. Took 1 trade on the stream so far. Waiting on another. There it goes. Just gonna keep on going. Keep on going higher. Keep on going. Knew I could have entered in here. Didn't do it. I need to stop being a little poon and just hold my trades, dude. So I'm up enough on the day that I can take 1 full stop and still be in the positive. So I need to do that. I need to just hold it, win or lose, hold my trade. I wouldn't be even looking for shorts until it came up above here. But there it goes. Should have held my perfect entry. Should have held it for 100 ticks, but I did not. This would be looking so nice, dude. It'd be looking so nice. I had a perfect freaking channel drawn out and everything, dude. It bounced right off the bottom of the channel, gave us a 30-second inverse. I took it, and then bam, here we go, on the way, on the up and up here. What's gold doing? Gold broke out of the channel. It broke out of the channel. Gold broke out of the channel. Look at a 5-minute gold. Gold looks like it's gonna come on down. Gold looks like it's just gonna come on down. Maybe come up into here and turn it around. May bounce back up into here and bring it back down. We got a 30-second fair value gap right here that possibly get inversed. 30-second inverse maybe. To bring it on down maybe. If it wants to come down, I mean, it's, to me, looking bullish. Looking bullish to me, but we'll see. We may try it, I don't know. I kind of just think it's gonna come on back up. If it did, if I do take this, I will be putting stops to break even very early. If I do take this. Oh man, missed it. Missed it. There it goes. Missed it on the 30-second. Oh, and it's flushing. Just missed it. Should have market entered. Should have market entered. I'm already break even on this one. Let's see if I get stopped out. Just go, dude. Flush it right here. Oh, gosh, man. It's gonna go down. And I just always barely get stopped out right before it goes, dude. And man, dude. I just need to hold my trades, bro. I always barely get stopped out. Now it's gonna flush and never come back. Should have just held it, bro. Should have just held it with your stop. You know what's coming down. Dude, I would have had 2 awesome trades here that I'm just freaking not holding. Gosh! Just not holding, brother. Not holding. I guess we're up on today, so that's something. I should be up way more though, dude. Coming down here. Of course. Delete this. I might re-enter. I might re-enter up here. I mean, it did bounce off of this channel again. It could come up. I'm playing a short. The trend is up. Let's see if it enters me in this trade here. $2,000 tick doesn't have a top wick. I may move it up here. right there. I don't know. 2000s, they kind of look bullish to me. But I guess we will see. I think it's gonna come up actually. I'm gonna delete this. I'm not sure about it. I'm gonna delete it and just watch. Don't like the way I'm feeling. Kind of feeling FOMO. So I'm just gonna watch for a few minutes. That's right, Rick. No FOMO. And it adds up. We'll just sit here and see if it would have played out. We'll just sit here and watch. Let's see when I would have been in. Not yet. There, I would have been in. I would have been in a short right here. Let's see if it would have worked. I'm not in a short, but I would have been if I took it off. I took off the position. Would have been in drawdown. $30-minute bullish fair value gap seems to be still respected, so I think it's good to wait. Let's look at it. 30-minute bullish fair value gap. Right here. We're talking about right here or right here. Right there. Yeah. Looks like it, don't it? Maybe one right here too. I mean, if you want to get real technical about it. But yeah, it looks pretty decent to go up, I would say. Might even, nope, didn't do it. Not gonna enter. But if it closed above here, might have been good to come up a little bit. Bouncing off the channels. Coming up. About to inverse this probably. Might explode upward. I don't know. Usually when it closes kind of near it don't look like it here, but sometimes when it closes near the top, it'll just explode up. But it didn't do that here. Ooh, kind of ranging around right now. It's kind of ranging. Look at these huge wicks on the 30-minute. Might be creating a nice little W pattern. There it goes, buddy. Coming up here, buddy. Is this the time it's gonna break out and fly? Is it gonna break out and fly upward? Probably. Might even come down, touch this. That would be nice to see. It would be nice to see, but it might just go here. Let's see if it bursts through this here. Or turns around. We're up a little bit, dude. I'm not complaining. We're up on the day. No reason to complain here. Feels good to be up. Nothing to complain about. We're getting another fast track payout. No reason to complain. Chopping it up around here, just chopping it away. Hey man, if you want to pick up some prop accounts, please use my coupon code. Or fast track accounts, dude. I'm telling you, fast track is the new move here. Make sure you use my link when you pick some up. Fast track, best prop firm in the game right now. But yeah. And please hit that like button for me. Helps a lot. Please hit that like button for me. Waiting on a trade right here. I don't know. If you were following me, you would have had two nice trades if you weren't scared and held like me. I meant, well, if you weren't scared like me and you held, you would have had two nice trades from me. But I was scared. I was scared and did not hold. Let's see if it's gonna come back down in here. Let's see if it's gonna do it. You ever hit leg day and then like 2 days later your legs are killing you? Killing me right now. It's not the next day that hurts on leg day. It's 2 days afterwards. That's when leg day hits you. 2 days afterwards. It's not the first day of leg day. I mean, it's not the first day after. It's the second. What's gonna happen here? Is it gonna come down here and bounce off of this gap like I said, or is it gonna keep coming down? Is it gonna bounce here, or is it gonna keep coming down? Kind of just ranging here, so not really good trading environment right now. Kind of wish I could just hide stuff, dude. How do I hide this? I don't want to hide all of it. I just want to hide this one. Whatever. I'll just draw it over. Kind of looks like we got something going on. Coming up here, boys. There it goes. Coulda, shoulda entered here. Just learning, just a learning experience here. Boom, there it goes, flying up. Flying up here now. My voice is very low. Well, I turned the music up today. I turned the music up. Let me listen to it on my phone. Let me see what it sounds like. Yo, thanks for the sub. Let me hear. Let me see what my voice. Let me hear it real quick. I think the music was just a little bit louder. Turned it down a little bit. Should be better now. Turn the music down so it stops. The music ain't so loud. Sounds good on your end, Canute? Sweet. I think we're coming up here. This would have been a nice entry. Let's take a look at the 2000 tick chart here. Looks nice to continue upward, I would say. I would say it looks nice to continue upward. Looks nice to continue upward. Okay. Need another trade here. It's just taking off here on the up and up. Missing out here. I might have to just call it here pretty soon. Oh yeah, we're just flying upward now. We're just flying upwards, no stopping it. Just straight up moonshotting it. Just straight up moonshotting upward here now. 2000 tick. Just broke this area. Let's see if it can break this area. I've got a line there. Probably gonna come up and break this area. Let's see if it holds the channel. Maybe come back down. We'll see. How's the music sound now? Everything sounding okay, better now? Everything sounding good now? It just broke this area, but to be looking for shorts, I would want it to break this area where I've got my line drawn. I think we're still, might reprice down a little bit, but we should come up and break this. Coming up here. Looks like it might even just break out of the channel here. Might just break out. Who knows though. Okay, now we can start looking for shorts. If it gives us an entry model, we can look for shorts here. Delete that line. I mean, who knows? Kind of need this to stay around here. Hopefully create something like this. Don't turn around here. Leave our fair value gap there. Uh-oh, it might not keep this gap. Looks like it will though. 15 seconds to keep the gap. Uh-oh, 7, 6, 5, 4. Yep, we got ourselves a gap here if it wants to inverse it and come on down. Did not want to delete that. Want to delete this. And then want to delete. Remove this. Possibly here. Something like this. Gonna look for shorts now. Way to get an inverse here. Let's check the 30 second. See if we get maybe a better model. Same kind of model on the 30 second. 2000 tick. How's it looking? Just smashing up above all this. It's gonna come all the way up here. Who knows? It's gonna break out of the channel and fly upward. Kind of looks like. What's gonna happen here? Now, if this comes down and inverses this, and I call this too, that'd be 3 great calls on the day. So, let's see if it happens. It looks like it could inverse this, come back down to the middle line of the channel if it wanted to. But it could just break out and go here, honestly. Break out of this channel and go. Looks like that's what it might be doing. Breaking out of this old channel. Breaking out of the channel. Flying upward now. We're coming up toward these highs over here, dude. No doubt about it. We're gonna come up toward these highs, break these highs. Hopefully it fakes people out. Hopefully it fakes them out, makes them think it's going higher by breaking out of the channel, and then inverses this. I like to check the daily out, see what's going on here. Yeah, looks like this thing could come up a ways today. Unless it's just creating a top wick for New York session, but it already created this bottom wick. So, already created this bottom wick. Looks like it could just come up the rest of the day, in my opinion. That's just what it looks like. I mean, but we are creating some major LR right here. So if it starts breaking down, this thing could come down pretty quickly. This thing could come down pretty quickly here. Bring it on down here. Push it down nice and fast. Coming on up here, boys. It did these people down here dirty, though. It did all these people dirty. It made them think it was coming up. Then it made them think it was coming down. Stopped all these people out and then flew. Oh, it did those guys so dirty. The market is just a gaslighter. The market gaslights you. It's a gaslighter. Right here. Made them think it was coming up. Turned it around. Stopped all these people out. And then flew. They were so mad too. They were like, yes, I'm going to catch the big trade. Boom, stopped out, bam, there's the big trade. We're gonna turn it around here. We're either gonna fly up or we're gonna turn it around, and I'm gonna take them on down. Now, if we break this up here, I'll be looking for shorts for real. Look at this freaking trend line too, dude. When it starts coming down, it's gonna fly down. Just look at this, dude. Let me delete this channel. Kind of just getting in the way. Delete all this. Let me create a new channel. Maybe something like that right there. Maybe something like that's right there. Look at this though. The 1 hour would have played out too. The 1 hour ORB. Bang. That's the 1 hour just playing out for us here. Man. 15-minute and the 1 hour played out today. Everything just kind of playing out today. I'm just not taking full advantage. I'm not taking full advantage of it. But I do realize that when I don't take stop outs, I get less tilted. So the break even is kind of a good thing. But I don't get as big of wins. But it helps me not to get as tilted. Alright, are we gonna flush down a little bit here? I've got 10 minutes to find a trade, and if I don't find one, I have to leave and go. Because I have to go. Let's play our little sound effect here.
Well, Dick, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence, and nobody can hang with my stuff. You know, I'm just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first, you're last.
You ain't first, you're last. You ain't first, you're last, buddy. Coming on down here. Is it creating an inverse on the 30-second? No, it's not. It's gonna bounce off that middle line. Middle of the range line here. Middle of the channel line. Yep, bounce right off that middle line. Coming on up. Trying to get to this huge payout here, dude. Just being patient. Being patient here. Being patient with the accounts. Almost half, well, not really. A little less than halfway there on the accounts. Maybe get halfway today. Who knows? We'll see. It's coming up to this line, but I'm about to have to get off. It's gonna come down short sometime today. Break above here, come down. At least to read price. I might miss it though. I'll be walking with my mama. Okay. Take a look at gold here. Ranging. Gold ranging. It's coming up toward this line here, man. We can see that clear as day. Clear as day coming up. It's coming up so quickly though. You'd imagine when it gets up here it'll come down. We'll see. Pretty much equal highs, pretty much. Yeah. It's going up there, boys. It's going right on up there. It's got a little bit of ways to go here. About 20 ticks. 5 minutes. I'm probably not taking another trade. Get off at 5. I have to get off at 5 o'clock today. Okay. Is it gonna trick some people here and make it think it's coming down? Come down in here, then go up? Might get a little tradey trade here. Nope. It's gonna go now. It'll just dump. Didn't close below here. Probably go without us. They're gonna dump here. All right, whatever. I'm not gonna, it's too close to the time I have to leave. I don't want to get in the position I don't want to be in. So with that being said, I'm out. I may stream during New York session. We'll see, but I'll see you. Thank you everybody for coming. Appreciate it.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick-tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes. Trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold. Every grade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick-tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd.